Students, this is the 78th class. Look at that board, student. I have written a simple question on the board. Show that f from closed interval minus 1 to 1 to reals given by defined by fx is equal to x by x plus 2 is 1 1. First, here it is asked to prove the given function has 1 1. In addition to that, find the inverse of the function. Here it is asked to find out one more. So that is inverse. What are the two things to be found for this question? One is proving f as 1 1. The one more question is finding f inverse, correct? One thing, students, you need not to worry about the question. Let them to write whatever they wish. You focus only on what it is asked to find out. You just focus on what it is asked to calculate. So let's go for students. Right, first one. Here it is asked to prove f as 1 1. You know how to prove f as 1 1 function as usual. So start, students. Let fx1 is equal to fx2. Let fx1 is equal to fx2. Whenever it is required to prove the given function has 1 1, we always use this procedure. Tell me procedure. Taking fx1 is equal to fx2 and proving x1 is equal to x2. Same procedure. Let fx1 is equal to fx2. Students, how much is fx1? Here you will get. Tell me how much will be fx1? It is x1 by x1 plus 2. Replace x by x1. You are going to get fx1. Tell me fx1 value, students. x1 by x1 plus 2. Tell me fx2. x2 by x2 plus 2. You just cross multiply and try to prove x1 is equal to x2. Simplify this, you are going to get, surely you are going to get x1 is equal to x2. That implies x1 into x2 plus 2 is equal to cross multiply x2 into x1 plus 2 multiply x1 x2 plus 2x1 next x1 x2 plus 2x2 x1 get cancels 2x1 equals 2x2 2 get cancels x1 equals x2. Therefore f is 1 1. So we answered for that first question, students. Still we have one more question in that. What is that second question is in that? So finding inverse and finding onto. In both the cases, we will find x value for inverse and for onto. You go for finding x value. So let y equals fx. Y equals fx. Y equals fx means x by x plus 2. Fx means x by x plus 2. From this, you calculate x value, cross multiply. So y into x plus 2 is equal to x. Multiply x into y, xy plus 2 into y, 2y is equal to x. Bring x terms to one side. Find out x value. So you bring x term to one side. xy minus x equals, So 2y, keep this 2y here itself. you send this x term right side, x minus xy. What is common right side, students? X. What is common on right side? X. 2y is equal to x into 1 minus y. Find out x value. That implies x equals cross multiply. Bring it down. 2y by 1 minus y. We got inverse. X value is nothing but inverse. Therefore, f inverse y is equal to, tell me that, 2y by 1 minus y. 1 minus y. 2y by 1 minus y. From this you can write f inverse x also. Over R. Over R. Tell me f inverse x. Change y by x. 2x by 1 minus x. I hope you understood, students. Let's go for solving one more question of the same type. Let So let f from r minus 2 minus 4 by 3 to r be a function defined as fx equals 4x by 3x plus 4. 3x plus 4. Find the inverse of the function. Find the inverse of the function f from r minus 2 minus 4 by 3 to range f. Find the inverse of the function f from r minus 2 minus 4 by 3 to range f. Let them to write whatever they wish. You need not to worry about the question. The question demands finding inverse. Only one question. Find the inverse. It is enough if you find f inverse x for this question. You know how to find f inverse x. Go for that. Solve that. Find out f inverse x. So finding inverse means finding x value. Solution. Let y equals fx. That implies y equals, what is fx? 4x by 3x plus 4. Cross multiply y into 3x plus 4 equals 4x. Multiply by y, 3xy plus 4y is equal to 4x. Find out x value because inverse required. Finding inverse means finding x value. So find out x value. Keep this 4y here itself. 4y equals 4x minus 3xy. Solve for x. 4y. What is common? X. 4 minus 3y. 3y. Find out x value. X is equal to 4y minus 4 minus 3y. We got inverse. Therefore, f inverse y is equal to 4y by 4 minus 3y over r. F inverse x equals 4x by 4 minus 3x. We got that, students. Now let us go for solving 5-mark question. Guarantee 5-mark questions. First question, show that 5-mark questions. Solving these 5-mark questions is so easy. 5-mark questions. Look at this, students. Show that if f from r minus 7 by 5 to r minus 3 by 5 is defined by fx equals 3x plus 4 by 5x minus 7 and g from r minus 3 by 5 to r minus 7 by 5 defined by gx equals 7x plus 4 by 5x minus 3. Then fog equals IA and graph IB where A equals r minus 3 by 5 comma B equals r minus 7 by 5. Students, this is 5-mark question. Question is too lengthy. Need not to scare by seeing question. Let them to write whatever they wish in the question. You focus on what we people have to do, what we people have to prove. So here it is asked to prove fog equals IA. You focus on getting fog equals IA and graph equals IB. In this question, it is asked to prove, it is asked to show fog equals IA and graph equals IB. High means identity function. What is I? Identity function. Identity function. For f equals I means I is identity function. I means identity function. F equals I. F equals I means F is identity function. If I write, students observe these points carefully. If I write f is equal to I, what does it mean? F is identity function. Identity function means fx is equal to what? X. This is what? Fx equals x can be written as f is equal to I. Fx is equal to x means this implies f is equal to what? I. F is equal to I means fx is equal to x. Fx is equal to x means f is equal to I. Identity function. Identity function means a function which relates every element of the set with itself. Put s is equal to 1. F relates 1 with 1, f relates 2 with 2, f relates 3 with 3. This type of functions are called identity functions. That means fx is equal to x means f is equal to I. In the same way, fog is equal to I means I should prove fog x is equal to x. What actually asked here? Proving fog x is equal to x. Next proving graph x is equal to x. Fog x is equal to x means fog x is equal to x means fog equals IA means identity function on the set A. IB means identity function on the set B. So first one. Second one, graph x equals x. Graph x equals x means graph is identity function. Relate a function if it relates every element with itself are called what? Identity functions. That implies graph is equal to IB. I hope you got complete idea about this question, students. So these things, don't write these things for your annual exam. This is for your sake. Now I am going to solve. Now you note, you make these notes in your notebook. So now I am going to solve. First I have to prove fog is equal to IA. Solution. Fog is equal to IA. Fog means fog x only. Fog, short form of fog x is fog. I take fog x, right? Fog. Circle means into. Circle means into. F into gx. Circle means into f into gx. Substitute for f into gx. Circle means into. This you know very well, students. You know this very well. F into, so tell me gx. Where the gx is there? 7x plus 4 by 5x minus 3. Now put this value in f. Here I write put x is equal to 7x plus 4 by 5x minus 3 in f. Put x is equal to, put this quantity in f. Where that f is? Here it is friends, f. In the place of x, you write this much. In the place of x, you write this much. This you done already. You know this very well. Finding fog graph you learnt already. In the place of x, you write this much. Now I write is equal to 3 into, tell me x value, 7x plus 4 by 5x minus 3 plus 4. In the place of x I am writing that quantity. Plus 4 divided by 5 into, tell me x value, 7x plus 4 by 5x minus 3. 5x minus 3 minus 7. Now simplification is left. You just simplify. First find out LCM, students. Find LCM of these two. Find LCM in the denominator also. Find LCM in the denominator also. Look at this, students. What is LCM of these two? 3 into I substitute for x. 7x plus 4 by 5x minus 3 plus 4 by 5 into x value. 7x plus 4 by 5x minus 3 minus 7. 4 by 1 means 4 only. What is LCM of these two? 5x minus 3. LCM is 5x minus 3. Cross multiply, students. Cross multiply. 1 into 3 into 7x plus 4 plus this side 4 into 5x minus 3, 4 into 5x minus 3 all divided by LCM in the denominator 5x minus 3 cross multiply 1 into 5 1 into 5 into 7x plus 4 minus 7 into 5x minus 3. These two get cancelled. Simplify. So that is 7 3s are 21x plus 4 3s are 12. 4 5s are 20x minus 4 3s are 12 by 7 5s are 35x plus 5 4s are 20 minus 7 5s are 35x plus 21. Look at the students. Plus 12 minus 12 get cancels. 35. Tell me that 21x plus 20x, 41x by 20 plus 21, 41 get cancels. I am getting x. Therefore, fog x is equal to x. Fog x equals x means fog is identity function. That implies fog is identity function. Fog equals IA. Fog equals IA. You heard this. For all x belongs to A. Here, x. What is x? It is an element of A. Fog is identity function on A. You heard this extra point for this A. IA. Fog is identity function on A. For all x belongs to A. Similarly, you go for proving. Similarly, you go for proving. So graph, let us put graph equals IA. Graph x. So quick students, solve quickly. Graph x. I solve this directly. So write graph x. Graph x means g into fx. G into what is fx? Fx is 3x plus 4 by 5x minus 7. Put this in g. You know that very well. Put that in g. 7 into what is x? 3x plus 4 by 5x minus 7 plus 4 all divided by 5 into what is x? X is what is x? 3x plus 4 by 5x minus 7 minus 3. Put this in g. Put x equals 3x plus 4 by 5x minus 7 in g. Right, g. 7 into x 5x 3x plus 4 by 5 plus 4. 5 into 3x plus 4 by minus 3. Simplify this. What is LCM? 5x minus 7. Cross multiply directly. 1 into 7, 7 into this. 7 3s are 21x. Plus 7 4s are 28. This side. So 4 5s are 20x minus 7 4s are 28 all divided by what is LCM? 5x minus 7 cross multiply 5x minus 7 cross multiply by 3 1 into 5 3s are 15x plus 5 4s are 20 minus 5 3s are 15x plus 21 cancels. That is 28. 21x plus 21x 41x 15 41 get cancels x. Therefore, we proved graph x is equal to x. That implies graph is what is graph? IP. Graph is what? IP. Identity function. Xx means identity function. Here you write for all x belongs to B. for all x belongs to proof. B, this is 5 more questions, friends. You should practice. So, okay, we shall meet in the next class. Thank you.